Hey yo, if you don't shop at Target, if you are boycotting Target, cool. Target got the most black, they partner with the most black brands. Cool. If you don't want to go in there, don't go in there. But don't get online bashing Kai Cenat and Tabitha Brown and all them people who got, like, just don't go in there. Simple. Some people go in there still, some people don't. Every time I park my truck in Target to take a break or whatever, all I see is black people coming in and out of Target. So either you lying or somebody lying, because all I see is black people coming out of Target. So don't get online and try to get people against certain people, and when about, I'm gonna say about 50% of y'all lying anyway. Cause like I said, when I sit there, all I see is black people coming out of there. So somebody lying. Motherfuckers just be wanting to be down with the cause. Just keep it to yourself. If you boycott Target, boycott. Don't nobody care anyway. Peace out.